guys, it's Cassie at Toy Sled Trinkets, and today we have a pony that needs her head removed for cleaning, and it is firmly glued. So I'm going to show you how to get that off using acetone. Alright guys, yes! This pony came apart textbook perfect. I am so pleased I didn't even need to use the X-Acto knife and nothing ripped. There are plenty of pony problems that happen when you're trying to take them apart for cleaning, so I will be back another time with more of those. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can see you again next time.